Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Google Pixel tab. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now find Microsoft Edge. And right here, install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open this app, and here we can turn on synchronization. You can also skip it with sign in later, accept or disagree with a data sharing preference, and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and here it should be ready. You can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.